friends, it is Running Kimono. In today's video, 5 hacks on how to start extreme couponing. For the more experienced or the new people that are just stumbling across this video, like, how do you make it happen? I want to learn, I want to save. What is the magic to this? So my channel for the most part is 100% digital deals. That's what we zero in and focus on. And yes, you can build a stockpile anywhere from a couple thousand to a $30,000 stockpile in your basement. Sticking around and learning how to extreme coupon. So the first one is you got to get a smartphone, because every single store out there has an app with digital manufacturer coupons, and that's what we utilize on this channel for the maximum amount of savings. So you might have to invest in a phone, and you're going to have to spend a little bit of time to figure out, like, here's the digital coupon folder. How do I load this? How do I do this? Once you get into an app, you can figure it out pretty quickly. But the first thing is to have that smartphone, go to the App Store and say Dollar General is your store to download the Dollar General app. This is probably the biggest one of all of my 5 little tips here today. It's a willingness to try and learn, because if you come into this thinking like you want to put zero amount of effort and you just don't really care and this isn't for you, then this isn't a hobby for you. But if you really want to come in as a student and really give this an effort to listen and pay attention, this will be a cakewalk and very easy. If you love to listen to audiobooks or podcasts, that sort of thing, and you get a lot of information from that, YouTube content makers like me that are narration channels, we can tell you the deals and you can get all that information really quickly. And how to make sure you don't make mistakes is to really pay attention. That is so critical. Or look at other people's hauls. What were their mistakes? How can you do it perfectly in store? But you got to be an A+ student, and this thing will be so easy to learn how to extreme coupon. The next thing is to pick your store. So in your town, what store is really close to your house and that it would be easy to coupon there? Is it Walmart? Is it Walgreens? Is it Dollar General? Is it Family Dollar? You're going to pick a store and then find influencers that cover that specific store. Well, I live really far from the closest Target, CVS, or Kroger, so I don't ever cover those 3 stores. I accommodate more like Walgreens, Dollar General. I'm a Midwest lady here, so a little bit of Meijer sprinkled in as well. But do not drive 6 hours to save $2. Find a store near you and learn the store, the rules, the coupon policy, and how things work, and find something close to your home so you're not driving a crazy amount. Next hack is to be a palm tree. And what does that mean? I'm not a tree, I'm a person. What is she talking about? Well, things often do not go your way at a store, and the more easygoing personality that you have, that you can adapt a situation or just go with the flow, that is the right personality to have to be an extreme couponer. If you're going to go in there like, I am right no matter what, shaking your fist in a cashier's face, this is not the hobby for you. But if you can really go with the flow, especially like the first day of a new month at certain stores such as Walgreens, register rewards might not print out right. Items might not scan correctly. But if you're flexible, a bit of a palm tree, you can sway back and forth, this will be very easy hobby for you if you have these really good interpersonal skills. If you're just an aggressive person, you just want to scream all the time, probably not going to work with you for you, because you will have 1 or 2 issues in this store. We always do. The nicer you are to staff, the lot easier this whole extreme couponing thing is pour vous. The final tip that I have for you is to have fun with this hobby. It is a lot of fun, especially when you see a really large balance after register rewards, Walgreens cash amount to like free. And you can see that math line up, and it's pretty cool. And, within 6 months, a year, if you choose to give or donate from your stockpile, there is no cooler feeling in this world than to have a hobby that, you can amass all this stuff and you can really give to family and friends in a lavish way. They're going to think your hobby is pretty cool. And I know that if you're watching this video, you're either a couponer or you want to learn how to do this and really give yourself a bit of time to figure it out. And just be patient and have a lot of fun with it. And Obviously, because you're putting a bit of money into this, you got to take it seriously, but have fun. Can't stress that one enough. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.